Systematic Residential Building Design Assignment. Assignment for Skylab online course by Sandeep Kumar. Introduction. Systematic structures are designed to protect the building to some or greater extent from earthquake. While no structure can be internally immune to damage from earthquake, the goals of earthquake resistant construction is to vertical structure that fare better during seismic activity than their conventional counterparts. According to building codes, earthquake resistant structures are intended with stand to large earthquake of a positive chance that is likely to occur at their location. This means the loss of life should be minimized by preventing collapse of the buildings for unusual earthquake. Will the loss of functionally should be eliminated for the far more frequent ones. Seismic residential buildings designed to resist the earthquake waves. Seismic zone factor represent the level of seismic design to required. Refer to table from IS 1893 code. Seismic zones, etc. Then open the E-type software and select the analyze menu. Set load cache up to run. Select to bind load option. Then then click on bind load. Bind load action to run. Then click run do not cache. Action do not cache. To change to bind load, action status do not run. Now click on the run option to be perform the structure analysis on the building model. Wait for some times for the software analyze to the building models. Once analysis is done, the analysis results show the by default 3D view tabs. You can the cursor over the slab point show on the value of the different point of 3D view tabs. Check the analyze result. Select in the display menu like on the shear force resisting moments and slab stress. Now design menu. Select to concrete design frame and click on view and revise performs. Make to share design to design code is IS456 and click on the then assign to concrete design frame. Start to design and check wait for some times to software in run. Then report on these options. E-type software building models complete projects on report. Now click on model explorer report. Click on project report, double click. Summary report is double clicks. All detail the E-type software is. Thank you.